I think both will actually happen. We will decrease your immediacy needs by being better at predicting what you need. We will also be better at having more coverage and having a great offer to help customers get that as well. The benefits for the customer of online shopping when it's executed well, which is both a combination of a great proposition and a fantastic execution, and they both have to be there, is broader ranges, which is more choice, more selection, combined with phenomenal execution, which means that what you get what you ordered and you get it on time and you get it with great freshness, great date life still left on it, good and fresh when you want to eat them. And as online grows, it has the ability to do all of those things better than a hypermarket. And so, it's definitely clear it's not just that people want to use their phone to do their shopping or people want to use their computer to do their shopping. It's that overall this is better for them. They put in less effort. They can spend their free time with their friends, with their family, on their hobbies, not having to go to the grocery store. Convenience is clearly developing online in a way that it didn't before. So we have an offer in West London that we will roll out more broadly where you can get shopping in under an hour. So if you suddenly realize you need something, you don't need to go out and go to a convenience store. The convenience store will come to you. And we believe that by using the infrastructure, the robotics and the software that we've developed, we can have a convenience offering that's at a lower price point than most convenience offerings and has a much broader range than a normal convenience offering by an order of magnitude. Having said that, if the algorithms that were helping you to do your own shopping had possibly more data inputs, being able to look inside your fridge, for example, or just knowledge of your consumption, and were better at predicting your needs, then the need for convenience shopping decreases. So there's kind of an offsetting thing that I can't quite predict where it's going to go to, which is if we could predict everything that you're going to need long in advance of you needing it, then we don't need to build a service that clearly costs more to operate to get you food inside an hour when you suddenly need something you didn't remember to order before. So I think both will actually happen, which is that we will decrease your immediacy needs by being better at predicting what you need and helping you buy it in advance. But where there are things that you need, we will also be better at having more coverage and having a great offer to help customers get that as well.